How to uninstall AI Flashcard app on Android. First of all, unlock your device and open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Next, look through the list of installed apps and find the Knowt AI Flashcard app. Once you locate it, tap on it to open the app details page. After that, tap on the Uninstall button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the app. Simply press OK and the uninstallation process will begin. Within a few moments, the AI Flashcard app will be completely removed from your device and its icon will no longer appear on your home screen or app drawer. Now you know how to uninstall AI Flashcard app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.